Hello guys, in this video I am going to give you a brief about what is the difference in Lean and Six Sigma. You must have heard these terms a lot as these concepts are being widely used nowadays to create much more efficient organizations. Before we go on to differences, I would just like to give you a heads up or some idea what these are. Both are continuous improvement philosophies used widely in processes or operations. Both tend to create efficient and improved operations, and organizations are using both of these methods to reduce cost and increase profitability. So as there's competition, every organization has a pressure on the costing. At the same time, they want to increase the profitability, right? So there are a lot of factors which go into the costing or profitability. So organizations try to improve these based on methods such as Lean, Six Sigma, and many other methodologies. Now, what is Lean? Lean goes way back when organizations such as Ford and Toyota used these concepts in earlier days, and gradually it took form of full-fledged management methodologies used by manufacturing organizations initially. Lean focuses on eliminating waste from process, as the word lean means thin or without fat. By nature of it, all processes have inherent wastes. So when you talk about waste, I'd like to just give you an example. Say you are cooking a meal in the kitchen, right? And it takes you 30 minutes. But can you do that sooner? Instead of 30 minutes, can you do it in 15 minutes, right? So if you look at the process step by step, you will feel that there are a lot of points where you are doing nothing, or you are working on something else, because of which it stretches to 30 minutes. Say you answered a phone, you went to change channel on the TV, or you are doing something else which is not cooking related, right? Or even if it is cooking related, it can be done faster. So there's waste, and that waste results in a longer process. When we talk about waste, I would like to give you an acronym which is called TIMWOOD. If you look at the video, you'll see that some of the alphabets are underlined and in bold. That is TIMWOOD. T means transport, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, defects. These are some basic categories of waste. It's called as 7 waste model. Some companies may have 8 waste, some may have 10, but it depends on sector, industry you are talking about. But these 7 are kind of generic waste which everyone knows. Lean focuses on removing or reducing these wastes from process and create efficient processes. Lean is normally used in initial stages, but that does not make it like it cannot be used in the later stages. It can be used in all these stages because it's very common sense based. It helps to make processes standard and stable. Now, what is Six Sigma? Six Sigma as a formal method was developed at Motorola. It is a very data-driven statistical approach in management of processes. It focuses on reducing variation in a process which is stable and standard. In general, it's very data-centric approach where we first try to list down all the potential cause of variation. Then we validate them statistically based on the data we have. So this statistical testing will tell you, okay, out of 5 factors which you thought earlier were impacting your project or your output, only 3 are statistically significant. Then around these 3 you will create action plans and try to fix these root causes using management techniques and with the help of Lean. Initially, before you have initiated a Six Sigma project, the process has a large variation, right? Just to give you an example, say a call center where calls are coming in, operators are answering these calls. There is a large variation in the call time. Say if one call is getting finished in 1 minute, some calls are taking more than 10 minutes. Now they want to reduce this variation. Maybe they want to fix the upper limit or bring it close to 5 or 6 minutes, so that will be less variation in the cycle time. So this is how Lean and Six Sigma try to help processes, and they are trying to reduce and create efficient processes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give your comments in the section, and subscribe to my channel if you like it. Thank you. Bye.